Hey, what's up guys? Dan Henry here, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through an ad we set up for a local business. It's a ManyChat ad, and it's so far we've spent about $582, as you can see here. The guy landed a $10,000 contract with it, and he's got a few more appointments. So just to give you a little background, this guy, he sells custom lighting, okay, like outdoor LED lighting for houses, and his average ticket is about $10,000. He actually came out and gave me a quote for lighting up my house. It was about $6,000, and I was being cheap. So definitely a very high value per customer. Okay, so let's just first take a look at the ad, and then I'll show you how I have it set up. So let's take a quick look at the ad here. So what I did here is pretty simple, and you can probably tell it's my copy. So let me just show you the guy's page real quick. It's called LED Artistry, and he's local here where I live, and he does this type of work. You know, he does LED lighting for docks, and look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? So that's what he does. And anyway, so here's the copy. Want to make your house look way more expensive, so I call out honestly, that's why I wanted it. I wanted my house to look nicer, to look more expensive. That's why I wanted it. So I was like, okay, let's call out the pain here, or let's call out the desire. The secret to taking people's breath away is simple: lighting. Want pricing? So I ran a few ads, and I realized that most people just literally want pricing. So because it's it looks so nice that they know they want it. They want pricing. So I say, want pricing, just click send message, and we will send you pricing over Messenger. Also, we can come out to your home, create an amazing lighting design for your house on the spot, and show you, and I misspelled that, whatever, show you what your home could look like, no charge. There's no cost whatsoever. We will come out, set up our lights, demo them for you, no charge. If you like what you see, we can talk about making those lights permanent. If not, and I typo again, doesn't matter. If not, no problem. Just tell people about us. That's all we ask. We love word of mouth. Just click send message, and we'll send you pricing over. Okay. And then I just made I chose a few background pictures. So I just went on his, on his page, and I found some good pictures, and I made a slideshow video with the music. So just to see. Oh, come on now. Why isn't it playing? There we go. Right? That's it. And it says click here for pricing on our LED home lighting packages. And as you can see, it's got tons and tons of comments, and it's doing really well. And so if I hit send message like that, it goes, hi there, would you like pricing on, and oh god damn it, I gotta fix that too. I'm terrible with that. Would you like pricings on our LED light packages? Yes, please. And then it'll take me into the sequence. Now, the reason I'm not getting anything back is because I'm already in this sequence because I've already tested it. But anyway, let me show you how this is set up. So first of all, I am targeting, so I use a JSON messenger setup, okay, and I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. Let me go over targeting here. Okay, so targeting is really pretty simple. I just do the area, okay, and then I did demographics, home type, home value, and I pretty much got all the expensive homes, and then married. And I'll probably split test this against some different stuff as well. Automatic placements, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and then as far as the ad goes, before we do the ad, we actually have to set it up in ManyChat. So I will show you that here. So if I go to growth tools, and the one I have here is called want pricing, and it is a Facebook ads JSON. So if I click new growth tool, I would go down here and I would choose Facebook ads JSON, and then it would go in and I'd edit all this stuff. But let me show you what I've done here. So I called this one want pricing. So I click here, and under opt-in actions, I want to edit this, and I want to hit edit, and brings me in here, and basically it says, hi there, would you, and I'll hit edit here, and I'll quickly fix my typo. Hi there, would you like pricing on our LED lights, right? And it's yes please. So the thing about it is if they don't click yes, they're not going to go to the sequence, right? So they go to this growth tool, and basically they go to the growth tool, and it says, hi there, would you like pricing on our LED light packages? Hold on, I thought I edited that. I did. Oh, I gotta hit publish. Boom. Okay. So if they click yes, it goes to this action group right here, which is pricing. Okay. And it says subscribe to sequence pricing. Okay. And that's pretty much it. All right. So now when they click that, it'll take them to a sequence. I'll go over the sequence in a moment, but let's figure out, because at this point we're ready to set up our ad, right? Like once they click yes, they go to a sequence, but that has nothing to do with the ad. So let's set up our ad. So if we go here and we go to hold on, setup. We click setup. It's going to give us this code right here. So we're going to click copy code to Facebook, and all we're going to do is in our Messenger ad, we're going to write our copy, we're going to create our little slideshow video and all that, and down here where it says message setup, so you'll have your standard one where you can enter in your stuff, but if you just click JSON and you click on it, now this is where it gets tricky and where people mess up. You have to take your mouse, you have to go all the way over here to the very corner and click that. That way it selects the whole thing, okay? And then we paste it in, and we're done, okay? And boom, and then we just hit confirm or save or whatever, or launch the ad, and we're done, okay? So that's it right there, boom. Now, once that's up and we test it and we, the ad is live and we click on this and it says, we get a message back, we know it's working. So now what we do is we go to, as you can see, it subscribes them to, and let me just click on this. By the way, it's, for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, yeah, so you'll notice it only says one click, one user, but it's not tracking properly. I don't really know why. It says due to platform limitations, we cannot definitely track growth tool impressions and opt-in message stats. The first time we can track user is when he clicks a button to your opt-in message. So I'm not really sure why, but I know I've had a ton more clicks than that, but for some reason it's not showing up, and I don't really know why. But anyway, so if I go to automation and I type in and I click sequences, see, it says, see right here, subscribers 34. So I don't know why it's not showing up. Anyway, it says pricing. So if I click on this, if you just create a sequence, you can just hit create sequence, you can name it, and once you create it, it gives you this right here, and you can edit each one, when you're going to send it, whatnot. And then you simply connect it in the growth tool when it's ready to go. So this is the sequence I have for them. So here's what I do. So the starting step, and this happens after they click, just so that you understand. Once they click, JSON, nope, that's not that one. Once they click this, yes please, well, okay, yeah, so let me just click on this here. Yeah, so once they click this, or once they click this button, this tells them subscribe to sequence pricing, which is this sequence, right? So great, our lights come fully installed with warranty for as low as $175 per light. If they ever break, we come replace them. Want to see some pics of our work? So I do micro commitment. So 67% of people said yes, right? So then what we do over here is, great, here's some of our work. And then I just send them pictures, and I put a 3-second delay in between. Here's some more. I send them more pictures, blah, blah, blah. Also, here's how they're mounted, blah, 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 blah. What do you think, first name? Would you like a free lighting design made for your home so you can see what it would look like? Look at that. 41% said yes. That's pretty badass. So then if I go up here, great. I just have to ask a few questions about your home so I can design your package. It's quicker to do over the phone. Should I give you a quick call? 22% said yes. So keep in mind, though, that these conversations are happening inside the Pages Messenger. So at any point, my client can go back and, and keep talking to them, So it's not like that's lost, So then they click yes. This is just how we're going to automate it, because they can continue on the conversation, yada, yada, yada. So anyway, as you can see, we got 2 phone numbers here. Great. What is your number? We got 2 phone numbers. And then once we get the phone number, I notify the admin, which, here, let me just hit edit real quick so you understand. So I notify the admin. See, it notifies Corey, who's the owner, over Messenger and email, and for me too, just so I can kind of see it. So it'll go like this. It'll go, full name, needs to book a lighting demo appointment, and just gave you a phone number to call them ASAP, right? And on the keyboard input, what I do is I could reply phone, okay, to make sure they give the proper one, but I just put text, just to not piss anybody off. So that's it, right? And I'm sure he's getting more appointments out of talking to the people who didn't automatically respond with their phone number, because once the conversation is started, you can keep at it. So that is how you do it, and that's really it. It's pretty freaking simple. So at this point, what I'll probably do to do some more experimentation with this is I will duplicate the ad set and go after some different type of targeting and just see what works better. Okay, I hope this helps, guys.